Hey Michael, my name is Don Cunningham, and I shot this video because I wanted to show you some things that you could do to increase your online visibility. And when I did a Google search on your business, this is what this is what came up. So over here we have our organic listing, and I don't see your name is not listed specifically over here. Now, on this side, it does show that you have a Google profile. And if I take a look at the profile, I see your name and your address. And we scroll down here, and we come to here. It says add missing information, add a website. Don't know if you're aware, but Google gives preference to websites over simple, what we call Google Business Profile. It does recognize your profile, however, it recognizes websites first, and then not only that, if you have a profile and a website, it gives your whole business your entire business more relative 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 attention. Okay, now here I did a search on HVAC in Riverside, and this is what came up. Now this is the first one that came up with is Magnolia Heating and Cooling. But they also have a website. So if I click on their website, then this gives me a whole lot of more information than just the business profile. And these are things you can do if you have a website. Um, you can go into all the things you can do. You can do examples of your services. You can have pictures, and you can have words, and then you have word content. And in that word content, you're going to have words in that content that is going to cause your site to be found when those words are put in, even if they're not searching particularly for your website. And this gives having a website also gives Google something to optimize, and it's through the optimization of the website that it's ranked. So you can add content and things in your website that are going to cause your site to be found more easily. So, as I said before, I think the first thing you would need to do is to build a website and include those things I talked about in your website. That would be the first step I would take to increase your visibility, because once you have a website, then Google is going to find your website and list it in the Google listing over here, as well as the Google profile. Now, this is something that I could help you with. So, if you would like my help, or you have any questions about things you could do yourself, please give me a call. My number is 714-473-0269. And that's Don Cunningham, 714-473-0269. Thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. You have a great day.